Hello everyone, right here I have a 2019 Volvo V40 D2 R Design Edition. So, here is the key fob. Let's go ahead and start it up first. You can manually activate the welcome lights just by pressing this button. The side mirrors are currently folded out. Upon locking the car, they automatically fold in. And upon unlocking, they automatically fold out again. If you press and hold on the unlock button, you're able to roll down all 4 windows in the car at the same time, and to roll them back up together, just press and hold on the lock button. This V40 is equipped with Volvo's version of a smart keyless entry and start system. So, just have the key fob on yourself. The car is currently unlocked. To lock the car, press the indentation on any of the 4 door handles. And to unlock the car, just wait a moment and tap the area again behind any of the 4 door handles. Alright. So let's start it up with the door closed. The second generation V40 features an electric rack and pinion power steering system. The R Design Edition trim comes with a leather steering wheel with the R Design badging on the bottom spoke, smooth leather and contrast stitching around the inner rim, perforated leather on the outer rim, and sport grips at 10 and 2. A 6-speed manual transmission like in this V40 is standard for the 2.0 D2 engine, while a 6-speed automatic transmission is optional. To engage reverse for the manual transmission, push the gear lever all the way to the right and back. Standard for the 2019 V40 is a reverse camera with active guidance signs along with front and rear parking sensors. This V40 is fitted with the optional Xenium pack, which gives the car the Park Assist Pilot automatic parking system. Standard safety features in the V40 include 8 airbags, anti-lock braking system, electronic brake force distribution, brake assist, dynamic stability and traction control, hill start assist, adaptive brake lights, Volvo City Safety System, a tire pressure monitoring system, an alarm system, and mobilizer, and deadlocking. Isofix child seat anchor points are found on the outer 2 rear seats. 18-inch Ixion 4 alloy rims, which are no-cost option to replace the R Design Edition trim's standard 17-inch Ixion 3 alloy rims, are specified on this V40. Both choices have a diamond cut matte black finish. This V40 rides on Michelin Pilot Sport 3 22540 ZR18 summer tyres. The disc brakes are ventilated in front and solid at the rear. For the suspension, the front has McPherson struts, while the back has a multi-link setup. With the R Design Edition trim, the V40 gets the dynamic chassis setup. V40 refers to 2 different models Volvo has produced so far. The first generation V40 is the estate version of the first generation S40 Saloon. This one was in production between 1995 and 2004. Meanwhile, the second generation V40 is a hatchback that replaced 4 Volvo models, the C30, the S40, the V50, and the C70. Despite being bought by Geely in 2010, the second generation V40 is the last brand new Volvo developed with Ford parts to go on sale. Partially based on the Global C platform and being a relative to the third generation Ford Focus, the second generation V40 debuted at the 2012 Geneva Motor Show. It went on sale for the 2013 model year. 4 years later, at the 2016 Geneva Motor Show, the facelifted V40 was unveiled as a 2017 model year vehicle. Production of the V40 stopped in 2019, and there will not be any more new V40s after the 2019 model year. Powering this V40 is Volvo's D42040 8 2-litre, dual overhead cams, 16 valves, turbocharged inline-4 diesel engine with common rail direct injection. It produces 118 horsepower at 3,750 rpm and 280 Nm of torque at 1500 to 2250 rpm. 0 to 62 miles per hour takes 10.6 seconds, and the top speed is 118 miles per hour. The fuel tank size is 62 liters, and the combined fuel consumption for the V40 2.0 D2 manual is 56.5 miles per gallon. Carbon dioxide emissions is 126 grams per kilometer, and the V40 is a front-wheel drive vehicle. Exterior features of the V40 R Design Edition include automatic auto-leveling adaptive LED reflector headlights, automatic wipers, headlight washer system, LED daytime running lights, LED front indicators, LED rear lights, LED rear number plate lights, rear fog light, indicators on the silver matte side mirrors, body-colored door handles, a rear spoiler, an R-Design front grille, an R-Design front bumper, an R-Design rear diffuser, and dual R-Design exhaust pipes. Speakers right there and down there, storage, central locking, mirror controls, window controls. All of the windows in this car are fully automatic in both directions. Window lock, interior brightness adjustment, storage, R-Design door sills, and the driver's seat in this V40 R-Design Edition does get full powered adjustments. All of the controls are located right down there, including your 3-person memory function. The only manual adjustment for the seat comes in the form of the lumbar support, adjusted using the knob right there. Alright, so let's go ahead and see how it revs. Dual zone automatic climate control system. The climate control display is shared with the infotainment display located right above. But back to the controls, temperature control, the L and R button. Basically, if both temperatures are highlighted at the moment, you can control both temperatures at the same time. Press it once to control only the driver's side temperature. Press it once more to control only the passenger side temperature, and press it once more to control both sides of the bed. 3-stage heated seats for the driver, front passenger, fan speed, automatic mode, front and rear defrost, different modes, air conditioning, circulation. My Car brings up your car menu on the infotainment display. This one activates the automatic parking system, parking sensors, and down below you have the button to activate or deactivate the vehicle's automatic stop-start feature. If the feature is activated, the engine will momentarily shut off when you arrive at a stop, such as a traffic light or traffic jam, to save that extra bit of diesel that the car uses. Storage behind the dashboard. The V40 R Design Edition comes with the Sensors Connect head unit. It features a 7-inch infotainment display, various media connectivity options, and sensors navigation. Sound is provided by the high-performance sound system with 8 speakers and a 4x45W amplifier. Window control, speaker, storage areas right there and right there. The rear seat backs in this V40 do fold. They split 60-40 when folding, and to fold them down, locate the levers on the sides of the outer two rear headrests. The one on this side folds down the right seat and the middle seat, while the one on that side folds down the left seat. Just pull it. The headrest automatically flips down. Then flip the seat backs down. I did set the driver's seat to a position that I would feel comfortable in. I'm about 5'7", which is about 1.7 meters tall. There is quite a bit of room to stretch out my feet underneath the driver's seat. As for legroom, I get about this much. And I only get about this much in terms of headroom. While it may not be the most spacious back here in terms of headroom, legroom is actually quite alright. There are cutouts on the front seat backs that help with additional legroom, and also on the front seat backs are storage pockets. Back to the seats, they are quite comfortable as well. 3-stage heated seats for the outer two rear passengers. Cup holders. Rear center armrest. And right above, for both sides at the back, are grip handles and hooks. Capless fuel filling system. To open up the rear hatch, go towards the rear hatch itself. Locate a touchpad beneath the L of the Volvo badge. Boot space in the diesel V40 is 335 litres with the rear seats in place, and 1032 litres with the rear seat backs folded and the cargo cover removed. On both sides of the boot are storage areas, and to the left is an LED light. The false boot floor acts as a cargo separator, and under the actual boot floor is the vehicle's AdBlue tank. Speakers right there and down there, storage. The front passenger seat in this V40 does get full powered adjustments as well, with the same set of adjustments as found on the driver's side, including your manual lumbar support. The only thing that this side misses out on is the memory function. Walkable glove box. It is of a nice size. It is also illuminated. Grip handle for the front passenger. And the front passenger's sun visor does get a vanity mirror with a couple of lights as well. Thanks for watching and goodbye.